What is up, YouTube, and welcome back to a brand new video of Stock Talk where we talk stocks and crypto. And in today's video, we're going to be taking a closer look at the Bitcoin price chart. As you guys know, I've been calling out this W pattern plus this huge bear flag, and we've been taking a neutral stance, waiting for the market structure to show us exactly what's going to happen. Sometimes when you're doing stocks or crypto, it's always best to participate and not anticipate. So it's not always anticipating what's going to happen. And let's just say right here in this instance, since I think the W pattern might form, the neckline is around 24 through 25,000. So we're at 19. That's about a 4,000 gain. And instead of anticipating it and buying right here, hoping that it would go up here, I'm only going to buy it once it's actually doing it. You get me? So I'm participating with the trend, not anticipating the trend. So that was just a quick little advice, something that I kind of recently learned myself while I was doing some options, was that I can't anticipate every move. Sometimes I just got to participate with it. So back to the video, the main point of this video, one of the things that we had left off on was this 50 EMA line and the bottom trend line of this bear flag channel. So what I've been saying was that we were going to tap one of the two and then come down and then potentially retest the bottom right here as support. Let me get a support going real quick. Ooh, let's get a horizontal ray and the bottom of this wick, but there's more taps right around here. So this tap, tap, and these two taps, and then we may come down for another tap. So this little small blue line, which is support, is showing us an 18 right here on your screen, on the right side of the screen, 18,789, but let's just say 18.5. All right, so that's our support, is about 18,500. So roughly another $1,000 could be lost in the market, especially since the RSI still has a little bit of room for it to go down and then start curving up. So that, to finish this off and get a little bit lower on the RSI, sounds right about right on the $1,000 potential loss right here, and we could see $18,000 one more time, and then start to finally curve up. So all this is still in play with a W pattern, with a W formation we see right here. So on the day frame, it doesn't look as clean, but when we start to go to the week, you can start to see that it's still looking clean, still looking like a W pattern. So we got the one, and then we're going for the two right here. It's looking like this was supposed to happen. So yeah, we'll go right back to the day frame right now. Oh, well, let's check the RSI on the weekly, because all that stuff kind of matters too. So right here, it does look like we have a little bit of room left for us to go up. So we're probably gonna. So this is a lagging indicator. So this is gonna take some time for it to show in the market. So the market is gonna show first, and then it's gonna show here, or something like that, vice versa. I don't know, but yeah, let's take a look at the monthly frame, and look at that. The RSI is extremely low. So whenever this shit decides to curve back up, it's a wrap. We're gonna be seeing some bullishness, like some serious bullishness. And we have, damn, look at all those monthly red candles. Like, y'all see this shit? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 10 red monthly candles. That's ridiculous. So we've been on a downtrend for 10 months. Yeah, there's been some possible green weeks, but overall, the month, in the beginning of the month, it would start off pretty high, and then on the end of the month, it would close off a lot lower than what it was in the beginning of the month. So that's crazy. We got 10 months. The RSI is extremely low. So we may start seeing this to curve back up. Once this starts to curve back up, you're going to start seeing a congruence with every other chart frame, which would be the weekly, which would be the the daily, and everything else like that. But mainly, I like to play the daily chart because it's a little bit more accurate. So let's get back to the chart where we're at right now. Once again, we have a small support right here at the 18.5 area, more or less. And if this gets broken, we may start to see a revisit at the low of, when was this, the June low, which was about 17 something, right? Yeah, let's just say 17.5. We may see that, and that would be the last of the last support right there. Whoops. If this one officially breaks, we're going to see a 14.5, or we're going to see an 8.5k. So that's my bearish. Like if this breaks, then we're going to see our bearish targets. And then if it starts to curve back up, once again, we would have to break above this 50 EMA line and hold it, close a candle above it. Because right now we're not really closing candles above. So the EMA line is right about here, and the candles, we need to close a candle, like a full body candle up here. We need to see something like that. A couple candles close like that. You know what I'm saying? Once we see something like that, our next battle would be this one right here. This trend line right here. We're going to start battling in this. And then to officially know we're going to hit this W pattern, we're going to need to start closing candles above this too. So you're going to want to see something like that. You know what I'm saying? Things like this are what we're looking for our W pattern to start forming. And as y'all can see, it's actually starting to look like it's completing the W pattern if we actually do this. But since we're not doing that right now, I'm not going to be anticipating the market. I'm going to be participating with it. And we're just going to sit out and keep waiting for the market structure to show us the story of what's exactly going to happen. As of right now, I'm still just a little bearish right now, just a little bit bearish. But my overall mid to long term is still very bullish. We still got a lot of things that are going to carry the market, such as the SEC versus XRP. That's going to move the market. We got the library versus the SEC, all that stuff. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, all those catalysts that could be coming up, and those random ones. You know, there'll be some random catalysts that just drive the market up or down. So we had the Ethereum merge yesterday, which didn't do what we kind of wanted, what people wanted. I did indicate that we are going to go down and tap this 50 EMA, but I didn't think we're going to break back under it and close candles under it. So now we're going to just be patient. You know, there's a fib zone right here that we're seeing support, and that is the whatever this fib zone is one right here. So as you guys can see, support, 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 all right here. So if we can find support right there one more time, we're going to definitely start to curve back up. If not, we will be going back down right around here, which would be the 12.17. If we see that, that's going to be crazy. So hopefully we don't see that. Hopefully it's just, you know, a support right here, one last tap, and shoot back up. You know, it's the buy the rumor, sell the news. So everyone was buying up Ethereum. You guys can see right here. Look at all these green candles. People were buying up that Ethereum news. Oh, the merge, the merge, the merge. Boom, the merge, the merge, the merge. And then we're getting really close to the merge. Start slowly selling off. The people that were late on the merge, they're starting to buy again. They're like, oh, the people that missed all this pump right here, they see it go down. They're like, all right, I'm going to buy right here. Fuck it. This is low enough for me. And then people are continuously buying still merge news. And then boom, the merge happens. And what happens? We just start tanking. We're going to be tanking. Everyone's going to start selling the news. People that buy here before they get negative, they're going to keep selling. So this is leading for me to think that we actually may see a 1200 Ethereum. So hopefully that doesn't happen, but if it does, I mean, it is what it is. We can get XRP at a steal, and we'll be able to get some other cryptocurrencies at a steal. So that's pretty much the end of the video. The RSI on the Ethereum is actually pretty low, so hopefully we start curving back up. Once again, the same thing with Bitcoin. This can go just a little bit lower, so expect a little bit lower of a price drop. Like for this wick right here, we've seen a 13.55. So that's what we may see right now. That's like another $100. So another 100 on Ethereum and another 1,000 on Bitcoin. That's what we can possibly be seeing, another drop on these cryptos right here. So Yep, that's pretty much the wrap of the video. We're just basically recapping on what we've been speaking on in the past week. That's why I haven't been really uploading too many videos, because the market hasn't really changed too much. It's still bearish out there, and I'm just waiting because one of these formations gotta break. Either this bear flag or this W pattern. One of them has got to break, and one of them's got to take control, and we'll see which one it is. So once again, don't anticipate, participate. That's the advice of the day. But I'm not a financial advisor. Do everything based on the invest what you want to lose. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. It's your boy Leo. Peace.